Imagine if the secret to transforming your life was just a few words away. Words so powerful they could shape your reality, influence your destiny, and manifest your dreams. Well, what if everything you've been searching for, success, love, or abundance, it could be activated by a simple statement? You only need to say these words: I am worthy, I am capable, I am ready to receive. Take a moment, say them out loud, feel their meaning sink in. These aren't just phrases, they are affirmations that harness the power of the law of attraction to turn your desires into reality. Let's explore how these words, when spoken with intention and belief, can unlock the life you've always wanted. Everything around you, including your thoughts and words, is made of energy. The law of attraction operates on the principle that like attracts like. This means that the words you speak and the thoughts you think vibrate at a certain frequency. When you say something positive, like I am worthy, you are sending out a signal to the universe that aligns with the energy of abundance and success. It's important to realize that the words we speak shape our beliefs and actions. Our thoughts are influenced by what we tell ourselves, and when we affirm positive statements, we begin to train our minds to expect positive outcomes. For example, saying, I am capable each day strengthens the belief that you have the skills and strength to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. The law of attraction doesn't just respond to wishful thinking, it responds to the energy you emit. By consistently speaking words that affirm your worth, your desires, and your potential, you are aligning yourself with the universe's abundant flow, making it more likely that the opportunities and outcomes you desire will come to you. The power of repetition cannot be overstated when it comes to affirmations. Just like exercising a muscle, the more you repeat your affirmations, the stronger they become. Initially, you may not feel a deep connection to the words you're saying, but the more you say them, the more you begin to internalize them. Your mind begins to accept them as truth, and with time, your beliefs shift to match those affirmations. When you consistently affirm, I am worthy, your subconscious mind starts to believe it. It's like training your brain to think positively, which ultimately changes how you approach life. This daily repetition rewires your thought patterns, pushing aside doubts and fears while reinforcing your belief in your ability to attract the life you desire. The law of attraction is all about maintaining a high frequency vibration that aligns with your desires. Repetition helps you stay focused and aligned with your goals. The more you say these words, the more your thoughts and actions will begin to reflect the energy of what you want to attract. This consistency is key to turning your desires into reality. Affirmations alone are powerful, but when you add emotion to them, they become unstoppable. The universe responds not just to your words, but also to the feelings behind them. Emotions are the energy that fuels manifestation, and when you speak affirmations with genuine emotion, you amplify their impact. And for example, when you say, I am worthy, allow yourself to feel the gratitude, joy, and excitement as if you already have what you want. When you connect deeply with the feelings of abundance, you align yourself with the energy of what you desire. Imagine feeling the excitement of receiving unexpected good news or the joy of achieving a long-term goal. This emotional connection acts as a magnet, drawing similar experiences into your life. The law of attraction works best when you believe in the power of your emotions and allow them to fuel your intentions. This emotional energy is what sets your affirmations apart from simple wishful thinking. When you infuse your words with deep, heartfelt emotion, you send out a stronger vibration that resonates with the universe. Your emotional energy tells the universe that you are not just wishing for something, you are fully open and ready to receive it. Affirmations alone won't change your life unless you back them up with action. The law of attraction is not just about speaking positive words, it's about aligning your actions with the energy of those words. When you say, "I am capable," you must also take steps that demonstrate your capability. Every time you act in accordance with your affirmation, you reinforce the belief in your ability to manifest your desires. It's not enough to simply say, "I am worthy," and wait for things to magically happen. You have to step into your worthiness and take inspired action. If you desire a new job, for example, you must take steps toward finding it. Apply for positions, update your resume, network with people in your field. When you act as if your goal is already a reality, you signal to the universe that you are serious and ready for success. The universe responds to the actions you take because they show commitment and belief in your affirmation. By consistently taking inspired steps, you align yourself with your desires and create momentum toward achieving them. Your actions send out the message that you are fully invested in the outcome, and the universe will respond by opening doors and creating opportunities. Visualization is an essential tool when it comes to using the law of attraction. When you visualize yourself already having what you want, you send a clear message to your subconscious that this reality is possible. By combining "I am ready to receive" with vivid mental images, you create a powerful blueprint for your desires to unfold. Visualization helps you feel as though your goals are already accomplished, which makes it easier to align your energy with those goals. Picture yourself living the life you desire. If you're manifesting wealth, imagine waking up every morning in your dream home or looking at your bank account and seeing the amount you've always dreamed of. Feel the emotions associated with that lifestyle: excitement, contentment, peace. The clearer the picture, the stronger the pull of your desire, and the more aligned you become with it. Visualization helps you stay focused on your goals and strengthens your belief in the law of attraction. By mentally rehearsing your success, you create neural pathways that make your goals feel achievable. This mental practice allows you to experience the feelings and emotions tied to your desires, bringing them one step closer to becoming your reality. One of the most difficult aspects of manifesting is learning to trust the process. After affirming and visualizing your desires, it can be tempting to look for immediate results. But the law of attraction requires patience and trust in divine timing. It's important to recall that the universe is always working behind the scenes, even if you can't see immediate signs of change. When you say, "I am worthy," trust that the universe is aligning everything in your favor. Sometimes the manifestation process takes time, and you must let go of any attachment to a specific timeline. Trust that things are unfolding exactly as they should. Allow the universe to bring what you desire in the way and time that is best for you. Patience is key to successfully using the law of attraction. Trust that each step you take is bringing you closer to your goal, even if it doesn't feel like it in the moment. As long as you continue affirming, acting, and visualizing, you can trust that your desires are on their way. The process is just as important as the outcome. Doubt is one of the biggest obstacles to manifestation. When you doubt the process or question whether the law of attraction is working, you send out mixed signals to the universe. This conflicting energy can block your ability to manifest your desires. To overcome doubt, counteract negative thoughts with stronger affirmations and reaffirm your belief in your own power. Every time you feel doubt creeping in, say to yourself, "I am capable," and focus on the progress you've made. Doubt often stems from fear, but fear has no place in manifestation. When you remove fear and replace it with confidence, you create space for abundance to flow in. Replace thoughts of limitation with thoughts of possibility. Overcoming doubt is an ongoing practice. As you build trust in the process, your confidence will grow. The more you affirm your worth and your ability to manifest your desires, the less room there will be for doubt. Keep in mind that the universe responds to your belief in it, so stay focused on the positive. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to attract abundance. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you send out a vibration of abundance that attracts even more things to be grateful for. Before you even begin affirming, take a moment to appreciate everything in your life, no matter how small. This gratitude shifts your energy and aligns you with the vibration of abundance. When you say, "I am ready to receive," feel grateful for the opportunities that are already on their way. Acknowledge the blessings you have now, such as your health, your relationships, or the roof over your head. The more grateful you are, the more you open yourself to receive even greater blessings. The law of attraction is magnified by gratitude. The universe loves to reward those who appreciate what they have. By expressing gratitude daily, you create a magnetic energy that draws more positive experiences into your life. This is why gratitude is an essential part of the manifesting process. The law of attraction is an incredibly powerful force, but it requires belief, focus, and alignment. Through affirmations, you can harness this energy and begin to manifest the life you truly desire. Whether you're manifesting love, success, or personal growth, recall that you are worthy of all that you desire. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you create a powerful energy that resonates with the universe. The more you speak these words with belief and emotion, the more you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Your thoughts and actions will soon follow, helping you achieve the goals you always dreamed of. So start today. Say those affirmations with confidence, trust the process, and believe in the magic of the universe. You have the power to manifest anything you desire. If you found value in this practice, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on how to manifest your best life. Thank you for watching, and may your journey to abundance be swift and fulfilling.